Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you what my neighborhood looks like here in Tbilisi, Georgia. My name's Alex and you can live through me. So, it's my first day here in Tbilisi, Georgia, and I feel like a fish out of water, right? So, let's see what this neighborhood has to offer. I've been walking around. I see a lot of old buildings, a lot of churches, even synagogues, people just walking around living life. It's a whole new experience already, and I've only been here 12 hours. So let's walk around so you can see what the old Tbilisi looks like, and let me know what you find interesting. Let's go. This looks to be the center of town. There's a huge horse monument up there. Across from it there's a castle and a tower. There's some trams and a hot air balloon over there. It's a very lively place, I'm sure, at night. I will come around later, maybe check it out, but yeah, I'm staying not far from here, so prices might be higher than normal, but we'll figure all that out together. I love Tbilisi. I hope so. It's my first day here, and so far the experience hasn't been the greatest because of what happened last night. A carpet shop. Where's Aladdin at? That's a stupid dad joke. You guys want to sit here, take a photo for the Instagram? Oh, a nice cafe here. Too bad I have no friends yet. Whoa, look at this street. Tell me you don't want to sit here and eat something. Am I the only one that's always hungry? Like, even if I'm not hungry, I want to eat. I just saw the biggest dog I've ever seen in my life. Look, it's a beast. Do you know the breed? It's shy. He's too lazy. He's sleepy. He's like, nope, I don't want to do anything. Thank you. This neighborhood is very, very nice. I like it. I like the different styles of buildings, different churches, really old places, mixed with some greenery. This looks to be an old church. I saw Jesus Christ right there. I don't know anything about Georgia. I'm not gonna lie, like nothing at all. So this is really exciting for me. Let's continue our walk. See, if you're traveling with someone, they're gonna be like, oh, don't go up this, alleyway. You don't know what's gonna be there. But who cares, bro? I'm doing the solo mission. But I really don't think there's anything down here. Our first stray cat, it appears. Oh, just a regular street. Nothing too exciting. Like, check out this building. It's like falling apart, and it's like in the middle of the city center. It's kind of cool. I mean, not cool that's falling apart, but there's so much history and heritage. Makes you want to think, what used to be here, right? Looks like a group of tourists like myself. I'm acting like I'm a local already. Down the alleyway we go. Woo. Cool. so many things to do and see here. When you first come to a new city, you don't know what you're gonna run into. Everything's so exciting and new. Would be nice to take a tour so I know the story behind these two statues. Hello, sir. Perfect place to buy souvenirs if I was coming back to Canada. Found us a perfect place to sit down, have a glass of wine, tell a story to a friend. It's in the middle of nowhere, hidden away. Let's take it closer. If anyone knows what this is, please write it down in the comment section. I feel like this has a specific purpose instead of just drinking and gathering around this big stone, round, mushroom looking thing. Anyways, let me know, guys. Let's continue our walk. Looks like someone lost their earring. Haha. Bro, I'm full of these dad jokes. I'm getting older and my jokes are getting lamer. If you guys anyways, I make myself laugh. Follow me. Ooh, look at this door. It's so cool to see different styles of like doors, buildings, all kinds of different things. I like seeing how different countries do different things. Like, look at this tree. Like, why does it look different than any other tree I've seen? It's like a bunch of mushrooms had a gathering. I feel like I definitely need to take a tour so I get a better understanding of all these landmarks that I'm coming across. Let's go up these stairs. Okay, it just comes to another side street filled with older buildings. I've seen many of these being renovated already, so I'm sure in a matter of a few years maybe some of these buildings won't last. Like ahead of us you can see a renovation site of some of these buildings. I don't know, I'm sure people have mixed feelings of maybe losing some history, or maybe they want to become more modern. I have no clue. I've yet to make any Georgian friends, so I'm curious to see what like the general idea is about these places being renovated. A produce market here, and there's actually an underground shopping mall. Not really underground, but just under the street. To give you an idea of this area. I have to stop for a cappuccino.
Od nas maczka, nie?
And that brings us to the end of this week's video. Thank you for sticking on till the end, and let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Did something interest you? Also, if you want to see me explore more of Georgia, subscribe to the channel. If you found this video entertaining or fun, hit that like button. Also, check out Wednesday's video. I'll tell you how I got scammed through Airbnb. See you guys next time. Bye.